In this video, you'll learn how to hire yard work services using Taskrabbit. By the end of this guide, you will be able to find and book a tasker for your outdoor needs efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. If you do not already have an account, you will need to sign up button, usually located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, simply click log in to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the option labeled book a task. This button is typically found at the top of the homepage. When you click it, the screen will refresh, displaying various categories of tasks available for booking. In the search bar, type yard work to find the right services. You may also see options like lawn care or outdoor help. As you type, suggestions may appear, making it easier to select the appropriate category. After entering your search term, press enter to proceed. Next, you will need to enter your location. This step is essential as it allows Taskrabbit to show you available taskers in your area. You can either type your address in the provided field or allow the site to access your location automatically. After entering your location, you will see a list of taskers who are available to help with yard work. Here, you can describe your job in detail, include specifics such as mowing, weeding, raking, or trimming, and mention the size of your yard to ensure taskers understand the scope of the job. Once you have provided a detailed description, review the list of taskers. You can compare their hourly rates and read reviews from previous clients. This information will help you make an informed decision about who to hire for your yard work. After selecting a tasker, proceed to schedule the job. Choose a date and time that fits your availability. Make sure to confirm that the tasker is available at your selected time before moving on. Finally, when the job is complete, you will be charged for the service. Taskrabbit ensures that payment is processed only after the work has been finished, providing you with peace of mind regarding the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.